喺早上8點，熱帶風暴風神集結喺東沙以南大約310公里，預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約22公里，橫過南海中北部。隨住熱帶風暴風神靠近廣東沿岸，天文台會考慮喺下晝5點至7點之間直接發出3號強風信號，取代強烈季候風信號。
At 8 a.m., Tropical Storm Fengshen was centered about 310 kilometers south of Dongsha. It is forecast to move west-northwest at about 22 kilometers per hour across the central and northern parts of the South China Sea. With Fengshen edging closer to the coast of Guangdong gradually, the observatory will consider issuing the strong wind signal number 3 directly between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. today to replace the strong monsoon signal.
在上午8时，热带风暴风神集结在东沙以南约310公里，预料向西北偏西移动，时速约22公里，横过南海中北部。正午12點，熱帶風暴風神集結喺東沙西南偏南大約300公里，預料向西北偏西移動，時速約18公里，橫過南海北部，逐漸靠近廣東沿岸。隨住熱帶風暴風神逐漸靠近廣東沿岸，天文台會喺下晝5點20分直接發出3號強風信號，取代強烈季候風信號。喺風神同季候風嘅共同影響下，聽日同埋星期三初時雨勢較為頻密，未來2-3日風勢持續頗大，市區氣溫顯著下降至19度左右，新界再低2-3度。天文台又話，受天文大潮、東北季候風同埋風神嘅共同影響，本週連續幾晚喺漲潮時，部分沿岸低洼地區可能出現水浸。聽日至到星期四晚上，維多利亞港嘅水位會上升至海圖基準面以上3米左右，呼籲市民留意。
At noon, Tropical Storm Fengshen was centered about 300 kilometers south-southwest of Dongsha. It is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour across the northern part of the South China Sea and edging closer to the coast of Guangdong gradually. With Fengshen edging closer to the coast of Guangdong gradually, the observatory will issue the strong wind signal number 3 directly at 5:20 p.m. today to replace the strong monsoon signal. Under the combined effect of Fengshen and the monsoon, rain will be more frequent at times tomorrow and early on Wednesday. It will be persistently windy in the next couple of days. Temperatures will fall appreciably to around 19 degrees in the urban areas and a couple of degrees lower in the new territories. Under the combined effect of spring tide, the northeast monsoon and Fengshen, flooding may occur over some low-lying coastal areas during the high tides for a few consecutive nights this week. The water level over Victoria Harbour will rise to around 3 meters above the chart datum at night from tomorrow to Thursday. Members of the public should take note of the latest weather information from the observatory.
在正午12点，热带风暴风神集结在东沙之西南偏南大约300公里，预料向西北偏西移动，时速大约18公里，横过南海北部，逐渐靠近广东沿岸。随着热带风暴风神逐渐靠近广东沿岸，天文台会在下午5点20分直接发出3号强风信号，取代强烈季候风信号。在风神及季候风的共同影响之下，明天以及星期三初时雨势较为频密，未来2-3天风势持续扩大，市区气温显著下降至19度左右，新界再低2-3度。天文台表示，受到天文大潮、东北季候风以及风神的影响，本周连续数晚在涨潮的时候，部分低洼地区可能会出现水浸。明天至星期四晚上，维多利亚港的水位会上升至海图基准面以上的3米左右，呼吁市民留意。